Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So on today's video we're going to be making the medium size knotless braid. That is what we're making today. So guys, if you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, please don't hesitate to support me by subscribing to my channel. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do upload new videos every week. Look at that braid. It's so long, actually longer than this, but I had to cut it because it was almost close to my knee. So let's dive into it.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So guys, on this medium size knotless braid tutorial, we're going to be using two colors, the dark pink and the light pink. We're going to mix it together. So the extension I will be using is the Lush hair. That's what is trending in Nigeria. I went to Nigeria and they said that's what is trending. Trust Change Your Look UK. I have to try it. Since I've been keeping my natural hair, I've never actually used heat on it. So you know, when you're going to a stylist, you just let the stylist do what they think is best for your hair. So after stretching the hair, blow drying the hair, it looks quite long anyways. After mixing the extension, I actually want a more lighter pink, but this is what I got, but I end up loving it because the darker pink looked very beautiful. So if you want to learn how to make a knotless braid hair, medium size knotless braid, please guys, come closer. Let me give you tips. Make sure that first extension that you added to your extension is not chunky, it's not too big. Come closer, listen again. Make sure the first extension that you are adding to the hair after braiding the natural hair from the very base, make sure it's not chunky. If it's big, your base of the knotless braid is going to big. It's going to look bulky. It's going to be big. And except that is what you're looking for, what you're looking to achieve. To me, I don't really like it when the base is really too big. So, and if you want it, like it or not, knotless braid doesn't last too long. So if you want it to last a little more for you, this is what you have to do. Braid it. Make sure that the braid from the bottom is tight. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how you can add extension to your knotless braid. This knotless braid is very, very long, almost to my knee. So this is how you add your extension. You just pick it and chucking it into the attachment. It will show where you actually add it. It will show, the joint will never show. So that is how you add extension on your attachment, be it braid, be it knotless braid. So just concentrate on what she's doing. Wash her fingers very well. When you are watching tutorial, be it this my tutorial or any other tutorial, make sure you are listening to what the person is saying, and also concentrate on the person's fingers. Then you'll be able to get a very good idea on what the person is doing. So make sure, like I said earlier on, just make sure that the first extension is not too chunky, is not too big. Reduce it. When you are going further, you can actually add more extension. But the second extension, make sure is not bigger than you needed. Seriously. If not, the base is going to be chunky, except you want the base of your knotless braid to be chunky. You don't need to use a big extension when the first extension you are adding to the knotless braid don't have to be big. Seriously guys, take note of that. You could see how neat this look. My hair is actually natural. I've never put a relaxer on my hair before. It's natural. So if you want to make a knotless braid and you want it to last a little bit longer, make sure when you are braiding the extension, when you are braiding your natural hair, make sure that it's firmer at the bottom before you start adding your extension. I'm going to show you an example. Make sure it's firmer at the bottom. You've braided the natural hair and make sure that it's firm before you start adding your extension to it. If not, you will have a saggy bottom. It will be loose at the bottom and you won't like it. Then it will quickly get rough. So make sure that the braid, the natural hair that you braided, that you moved like 3 times, you braid from the bottom like 3, 4, 5 times, make sure it's tight, it's firm. You can see that it's firm. Then you can start adding your extension to it. Knotless braid is really very beautiful. I get a lot of clients every week to make knotless braid. They will tell you they've been to so many shops, they don't know how to do it. But when they get to me, I mostly get DM on Instagram. When they get to me and I say I can do knotless braid, and they see the ones I've made before, they'll be like, wow, you can really make knotless braid. Is exactly how I'm going to make my knotless braid. That's how my stylist is actually making the knotless braid right now. You will love it more like this. And if you have a natural hair and you want to make a medium size knotless braid, please use this trick. It will last you more, because I actually carried this hair for some time. Even by the time I was removing it, I actually removed it because the length was too long. I could not face the length anymore, because I think this is about the first time I'm making this kind of hair, as in the hair this long. I don't normally carry hair that is too long if it's not weave on. If it's wig, I can carry as long as it can be, but when it's braid, it's very difficult. When I want to sleep, I'm having headache trying to position how I can sleep. I find it difficult, so that was why I even take it off. But I carried it for some time, and even when I was taking it off, my friends were like, this hair is still very clean, it's still very neat, why are you taking it off? But I had to take it off because I wasn't enjoying my sleep anymore. So guys, that's the best way to get a medium-sized knotless braid if you want it to last for you, most especially when your hair is natural. Like I said earlier on, I've never put relaxer on my hair, so the hair is natural. So you make sure, if you watch what she's doing now, you make sure that the hair is firm at the bottom before you start adding your extension. Then you'll be able to have a long-lasting knotless braid. If you've watched to this extent and you've not subscribed to my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. I do a lot of tutorials on this channel. Every week I upload videos, every week, every Thursday. So if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on your notification bell. And if you want to see how to create coils on braids, any form of braid, I have a lot of tutorial on my channel, packed up on my channel, how to create different coils. I'm good at creating wonderful coils on braids. Seriously, you will love it. The trick that the lady used on this, I actually showed her. She didn't know how to do it. I said, this is what you need, this is what you did. So if you want to see a lot of videos on how to create coils on braid, on extension, knotless braid, any kinds of braid, please, I'll be linking some videos. Go and check on the description section. You'll see a lot of hair that I've done in the past. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'm going to see you guys on my next one. See how beautiful this knotless braid look. Very, very beautiful.